Docker, the tool every developer pretends to understand but secretly just copies from a blog post. Let's break it down simply. You've built an app, it runs perfectly on your machine, then you send it to your teammate and it just dies. Different system, different setup, total chaos. So how do you make your app run the same way everywhere? That's where Docker comes in. Docker lets you package your app, along with everything it needs, into something called a container. Think of it like a little box. Inside that box is your app, the right runtime, all the right dependencies, even that one sketchy bash script. You can run that box anywhere. Your machine, someone else's, the cloud, doesn't matter. It just works. Now, here's the cool part. Containers are like mini virtual machines, but faster and lighter. Instead of simulating all the hardware and OS, Docker just shares your system's kernel. So it's quick, efficient, and doesn't melt your laptop. Docker runs on three main pieces. The Dockerfile, this is your recipe, the image, like a frozen version of your app, and the container, your app running, live, and ready. Here's what you do. Write a Dockerfile with a base image like Ubuntu or Node, add your dependencies, set a default command, build it with Docker build, run it with Docker run. That's it. Now your app can run anywhere with no weird surprises. Same behavior, same result every single time. So yeah, Docker isn't just dev hype. It's how you stop fighting environments and start shipping stuff that actually works.